by the grace of God, I'll be traveling on.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything, only me and you.
I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you want way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and more? Share you be kids and any. You better drop your body and more. So feel with this body. Make you run, I'm on a low. Baby, you know need. Take it to some move where you know go. Breathe, come make a drive up. Come make a drive this on the road. Please, just be allow me. If you want to be allow me. See body, oh.
Hey my loves, hey besties. Which one I should call the besties or my love? So choose which name you want me. Choose which name you want me to call you guys. Okay, besties or my love. So welcome back. So I'm now getting ready to go to the salon to do my hair. I wanted to wash my hair. This is why I don't like going to the salon to wash my hair, because they don't do it. They will just use, you know, the cup. They'll just use 2 cup. Seriously, the 1 cup is for the shampoo. The other one is for the conditioner. That's why I don't like to go to the salon to wash my hair. But today, because of we are in prep mode, I just want to pamper myself, do my nails. The reason why I changed the salon, they don't do nails, they don't do lash. So I want where I can go, just sit down. I don't want to move anywhere again. I just want to use one salon to do everything. Yeah, that's why I changed the salon. But the salon is at the same area, so it's just a walking distance. I'll take you guys along with me. So I'm just wearing this black top. I wear it once and it's so nice. I love the detailing button, and it goes well. Oh, my phone. Wow, the wind is blowing so hard. I match it to this. This is a bridge I'm always scared of, and this is the only way. No, this is not the only way. They have another way, but I had to run. But this is the shortcut. The way I'm scared of this bridge. Oh my god! Like I'm so scared. Like seriously. Hello. Good afternoon. Good morning.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Women naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I talk about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Hair is eating. No, the hair is eating. So the hair is looking. The lash is kind of long, a bit long for me because you know my eyes are wide, like my eyes are open, so I don't need the long lash. This is not my eyelash. Yeah, but the hair, guys, the hair is eating. This is the last day you guys will see me in this apartment. Yeah, I've moved everything. Nothing is here anymore. I don't know, like I'm feeling emotional. I'm feeling so emotional, overwhelmed. I don't know what to do, seriously. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm going to stay at a friend's place for this night. I wanted to find a guest house at Liberia Camp to just pass the night there, but I was scared because Liberia Camp is something else. Yeah, so I'm just passing the night at my friend's place. Then the next morning, I'll just pick up my luggages and travel. The nails, it's giving classy, it's giving clean girl, it's giving everything. Yeah, so talk to you guys later. What? Construction is going on, so Does this hair look good on me? Please tell me. Tell me. Tell me. I have been walking like I'm looking all basa basa. Does this hair look good on me? So I have washed me on a bag. I need to remove this. I don't know why this is still here since I bought it. This is how it says. I put something here for the cold, so I just decided to put those in here. Finally, Jesus has done it. So Yona too is getting prepped, just grooming her for the trip ahead of us. So I like to use those soft paper towel to just clean her up. Nails has come out. Today is Friday and I'll be leaving on Sunday. Yona, come here. Come. Come here, okay? Miana, come. Where are you going? Guys, we are fighting, so it's like I'm gonna talk to you guys later. See what she's doing. I want to cut her nails first and clean her up. Miona, steady. Stop it. Stop. Eh? Are you not ashamed? See what she's doing. She's fighting me. Like, a lot has been going on. I've not actually been filming. This is 1 week already. I started vlog last week Friday. I thought I would just finish it like 3 days. I think the last time I spoke to you guys when I was at my apartment, I told you guys I am going over at my friend's place. Then the next day I supposed to travel, but guess what guys, I am still in Ghana. I'm just going over to pay my deposit for the fee, like the transportation fee. Also, I'm going to Kweshima to pick up some luggage one of my friends went to send for her mom in Sierra Leone. So yeah, that is all I'm going to do. And also renew my nails, yeah. But yeah guys, talk to you later.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring high above the clouds. High